Insiders are talking about the cheapest mini PC in the world, Mac Neo, a new compact desktop computer that could become the most affordable device in Apple's lineup. According to leaks, Apple is preparing the Mac Neo as a simplified alternative to the Mac Mini. The device is focused on everyday tasks, web browsing, documents, and basic workflows. It is expected to feature the Apple A19 Pro chip and 12GB of RAM in the base configuration. Performance is said to be strong for daily use, especially due to high single-core power. The Mac Neo will sit below the Mac Mini and target mass users, including those switching from compact Windows PCs. Power consumption is expected to stay under 35 watts, making it efficient for home and office use. Design is another key highlight. The device could be as compact as the Apple TV 4K and may come in colorful plastic cases. Basic connectivity is expected, including 2 USB-C ports. According to insiders, the starting price could be around $299. That is nearly half the price of a Mac Mini. If confirmed, Mac Neo could become the most affordable desktop computer from Apple. Insiders also claim this move follows unexpected demand for other Neo devices. Like the video and subscribe for more tech updates.